obsolete these days, you know.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah. Okay. But it was a good, you know, typewriter was something like it was a big, you know, and it was fun, you know, typewriting and typing something with that. Yeah.
Yes, yes, and yes, I enjoyed a lot while learning how to type ka, kha, ga, ga, all
Yeah,
letters.
yeah, yeah.
So yes, I enjoyed a lot
Yeah,
while.
correct. Even we had a typewriter long back in my in-laws' place, but I don't know for what it was because, but I don't know for maybe somebody was using, but I don't know actually. I've forgotten. Yes.
Ma'am,
So yeah,
now I want to know about you, ma'am, because it's our first conversation. So I'm not aware much about
okay.
you. So
Yeah,
please.
yeah. So yeah, Shweta, as you know my name, and I come from Lucknow, the city from Uttar Pradesh, and you know that my if you talk about my sorry, if you talk about my qualification, I am postgraduate in English. And yeah, if you talk about, yeah, my family about, I am having two sons. They both are married. And they both are married and they both are having one daughter each. And
Oh,
my,
great!
yeah,
Still, you are learning, improving.
yeah, yeah.
You
So,
are
you
good.
know, as learning is an, you know, never ending process, you know. It's a never ending, yeah. So today only I mentioned somebody I told that yeah until I die I'll be going on learning something or the other. I'm so fond of learning whatever I wish to learn. Okay, yeah, and my husband is a retired banker. And you talk about my Shweta, then I love reading books and listening to music when I get time. And one more thing is that I play chess. I love playing chess, yeah. But you know, I don't find anybody to play with me. But yeah, many a person tell me, why don't you play with your mobile? So I don't like, you know, I want somebody to sit in right front of me and play with me. So I don't get a chance, yeah. But actually, you know, I've left all my hobbies these days, and only a foremost thing is just to have fluency to develop my fluency. I'm working on that only. Yes.
Wow, nice, ma'am. Nice to know about you. Yes, chess is a game in which you have to involve your mentally. You have to involve. And what I heard about when you play chess, it develops your thinking ability and
Right.
any
Right.
ability you can
Yeah.
develop. Can handle how to deal with your problems. So
Yeah.
many things we can learn through this game.
Yeah. I remember, you know, whenever I play, I remember my father. When I was a child, I was in class fourth. He had taught me, you know. He would play. He used to play very well. So yeah, he taught me actually. So, but
Vishwanathan Anand is a famous chess
yeah,
player.
yeah, yeah. But nowadays, one Indian player, he has won with one Chinese or some, yeah, with Chinese or some Japanese. He had won the match, you know. Some Gukesh is from India only. So yeah. So
Okay.
these kind of things, you know. But I many times I told my husband also, why don't you learn from me? Try to, you know, I'll teach you. But he's not interested. But you know, Shweta, the thing is, we can't force anybody. You know, we can't force anybody to play with. Yeah. So you must be getting a time, you know, to develop your as well as to have conversation daily. So do you have every day?
No, ma'am, it's a long time. It's a long gap, and now I'm talking with you. So yes, sometimes it happens, but yes, I love my work and
Okay.
English. I want to improve my English,
Yeah.
and
Correct. Yeah.
every day to meet new people, learn new things. So
Yeah.
I enjoy this process, ma'am. Really, from
Yeah,
my heart.
me too. So even I'm enjoying this journey because you know some person ask me why are you learning. So I tell them, say there's no any purpose of mine. Like I don't have to work anywhere. I don't have to go to school, colleges for any interview. I don't have to prepare for anything. It's just only for my satisfaction and the thing which I had lost earlier. You know, many past years it has been the thing which I had lost. So now I'm getting this. You know so, so the
Second
technology
page of
advanced. Yeah,
learning. Second page of learning. Yes, ma'am.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So let it be any age. So yeah, I'm enjoying this. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am. And we are using social media in a very productive way, in an effective way.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
It's a win-win situation, both for viewers, for creator. Both.
Yes,
We
correct.
can,
Yeah, correct.
we
Yeah.
can enhance. And with our home, staying at home, we can do all these things.
Yes. And you know, the one thing is that even I'm very much a social kind of person. Even my parents were social. So I had inherited that habit of my parents that I love to socialize and to meet with people. So whenever I'll be traveling in, whether maybe it on some airport's lounge, I'll be sitting there. I'll be talking to, whoever is sitting beside me in the front of me, or I am on the railway station, on the railway platform. So with anybody, I mean on the train, or on the anytime. So I love to connect with people. So in this way, I'm connecting, and this is a very good way to sit at home and get connected with many people daily. So this is a
So
good
you
way.
are
Yeah,
extrovert type of person.
yeah, too much. I know initially when I was child, I was an introvert kind, too much introvert. But my husband, he's a so talkative person. He is, you know. So anyhow, I have to talk with him. So it's been so many years I'm staying with him, and yeah, I have developed the habit from him to talk. So yeah, after my marriage, I become an extrovert. Yeah. So yeah, this is your voice is so sweet, Shweta. So do you sing, Do you sing sometimes?
Yes, ma'am, but not I'm not professional. Just you can say bathroom singer. Everyone is a singer, ma'am. And we,
Almost many of the persons are bathroom singers. Yeah, but your voice quality is very nice, Shweta. Yeah. So
yes,
that's why I guessed, yeah. So I guessed, you must be singing. So Shweta, you wear saris? Do you wear saris at home?
no, at home, ma'am. But I love wearing sari.
Okay.
Starting time of my marriage, being a daughter-in-law, I guess 5 to 6 years I wear only sari. After that, I
Okay.
transform into after birth of my
Yeah,
daughter. Mm.
daughters. Okay. It's good, no? Saris look so elegant, and anybody. So whatever I'll be wearing, when I'll wear sari, my husband says, yes, sari is a, good dress. It looks so nice. So sari, of course, sari is a kind of very, it looks on every lady, I think, the sari looks very elegant. Yeah.
Yes.
On and what else? Yeah, you are having your father-in-law with you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is he old? He's too old?
Yes, he is too old, 80 plus, ma'am.
Okay. So he can manage his work himself, or somebody has to help him?
Yes, we have helper at home, and I need to take care of him. And when helper doesn't come, then
Yeah.
I have to take
Okay.
care of him.
Yeah.
That's why sometimes I lack my consistency on YouTube.
Yeah. We have to give time to our family also, So yeah, because I sometimes I think if my children and all the family will be living in the same house, maybe I would not getting time, to have conversation. Maybe because yeah, my children are out. Elder one is in Mumbai, younger one is in Delhi. So only we two are here. So in the afternoons, I have plenty of time. I don't want to go and sleep, so I never have rest in the afternoons. So I'm
Wow,
free in the daytimes. Yeah.
you are so active person. So, could you share your English journey, ma'am? Are you from English medium background, or from since childhood you are in English?
Yeah,
You
Shweta. Yeah,
are very good.
yeah. Up to class 10th, I was in English medium school, and up to 10th, yeah, and up to 8th, I was in Mumbai in a convent school. Up to class 8th, yeah, and after that, my father was transferred to Uttar Pradesh, and since then, we were roaming in Uttar Pradesh only, to Lucknow and then Banaras, then Gorakhpur. So, though I was in an English medium school, but the atmosphere and nobody would speak in English. Though it was an English medium school, the teachers, when once they were out of the class, So everybody would start talking in Hindi only, even the teachers, even all the students. So that kind of atmosphere we didn't have. So it's been very long. When I was in class 8, so up to then only I had English speaking, kind. But it's been many years, So yeah, now it's past 2 months. I am on this platform and talking to each and everyone. Yeah. So
And you are,
after a long gap, Shweta, yeah.
but your speaking is so good, ma'am, and because I guess you love reading. So that's why you are always in touch with education, with learning, books, and
Yeah,
everything.
I love reading. Yeah, if somebody will be going in my bedroom, so there will be books, magazines and novels. There are many lying on my bed and tables, and you'll find many books there. So I love reading.
Okay.
Because I was also very fond of, I was not, I mean to say, I was a medium kind of student in my school days. But yeah, I was not that brilliant or over smart, that time. Though, yeah, but I was able to teach my children and to help them with their work. So, and you will be surprised to know, Shweta, that I didn't go to college. Somebody on the conversation asked me, ma'am, let me ask you something about a college life. So I told, he was some boy. So I told him, I have never been to college. So he asked me why. So I told him after 12th I got married. So that is 12th is class 12th is called a school. So after 12th, I studied all by myself. Three years graduation and 2 years post graduation. Only everything learning by myself. So there was nobody to guide me. I just brought the books from library or from any shop. I would go to the market and bring some those books for me. And in this way, I did 5 years. I learned myself. Yeah.
Oh, great, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah.
It
So
shows your passion, your love towards
you are
reading,
correct.
towards
Yeah. In my when I was in my in-laws house, so many like my devranis and my nanas, they would tell me, अरे अब क्या कर पढ़ के करोगी क्या? You have been married, अब क्या करना है? छोड़ो यार. So, but I was passionate. Anyhow, I thought in masters I have to do in English. Maybe anyhow I have to do. So I was so fascinated and passion about this language. So anyhow, yeah, I did it. Yeah. So
now
only yeah.
after watching your videos, what would their reaction?
Sorry, what do you ask me?
आपकी वीडियो को देखकर अब उन लोगों की क्या प्रतिक्रिया है मैम?
Okay, Adi, okay. I don't know. Yeah, but I don't know the reaction of those people. I don't know, but I'm just having conversation daily. Yeah, yeah, people is many of the they ask me only the one thing they ask me ki ma'am why in this age you are learning so many almost 80% of the people have asked me the same thing, ma'am, why are you learning? So I tell, yeah, but I'm passionate about this. It's very long of mine. It was a kind of dream for me when I would see somebody speaking in English in a fluent manner. So I would think, why can't I speak? So, but I would speak if there was somebody to me to speak in. So, yeah, because children also know they denied every time. Whenever I started, initial when I started having conversation with me, so my children would say, what's the use of don't talk to me in English? Already in school, we have come from the school and there was English over there. So अब हिंदी में बात करो. So my children also never allowed me to speak in English.
Speak in English.
Yeah, and even my husband, all are comfortable in a mother tongue only. So yeah,
Yes,
that
ma'am. Yes, but I would suggest, ma'am, you should start a channel also, so that you can also you can learn lot of things. When you create channel, you can
yeah,
learn anything. You can learn new skills.
yeah,
How to
yes,
so if you are doing conversation, so I recommend or I suggest you, ma'am, you should start your channel.
yeah,
So it will give
yeah,
you
sure.
more pleasure. Because it gives like every day you have a purpose. Like today I have to post video and how people will react
Yeah,
about my video. So
yeah,
it's a
yeah,
kind of engagement, you
yeah.
can say. and you are passionate about English learning. So
Yes,
it will
yes.
give you energy, ma'am.
Yeah, confidence will also build up, and everything will be. So I'm trying, I'm trying to do this, but I'm waiting, as sometimes I fear how will I be able to create my channel, because these things I don't know. How will I do?
Nothing you have to do, ma'am. Just you have
No,
to
because
create one email ID.
no,
Once you have created one email ID, then you can search everything, ma'am. How I learn editing and everything by YouTube. You can search how I create YouTube channel and how I create email ID. Everything you can get lot of videos regarding this. And
yeah,
after watching all these things, you try by your own trial and error. One time you might be successful, not be successful, but if you try hard, then definitely you can do everything by your own, ma'am.
yeah. I've never tried, I've never tried like how to create, yeah, I know these Google and these, yeah, YouTube. These things will help me, I can find out there only, but I'm not trying. I'm just relying on my sons, and once they will be here, and I'll ask them to do this for me. Let me see. Let me develop a little bit of courage, and I'll try to be here with you.
You are already courageous, ma'am. You are having a conversation and everything you are doing. So you just need to get idea and need someone.
Yeah,
If someone guides you, you can definitely. And I'm telling you, ma'am, no need to take any guidance. YouTube itself is a big helper. You
okay.
can search and you can try by your own. Then definitely you nothing big deal. Just you have to create email ID, and after that just like in our conversation is going to record. Now you have to save that video in your mobile phone in gallery. Once that video came in your gallery, then you have to create your email ID and log in on YouTube. And after that there is a place where you have to upload video. Then without editing, without anything, you just start, ma'am. Start your journey. After that you can learn editing and everything.
Yes, Shweta. Yeah. So there was a call from my brother, so every now they call, these kind of things disturb us. Yeah, we are about to end now this our conversation. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. It's a nice conversation, ma'am. Next day I will definitely want to know more things about which type of books you learn
And
and
I'll
how.
take your, yeah, if I need your help, no, I'll take your help, and I'll ask you how to manage these things. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you,
then
ma'am.
good night. Yeah, good night. Okay, Shweta. And try to connect with me again someday. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Bye bye.
Definitely.
Bye bye. Good
Bye.
night. Okay. Bye.